You guys hear that? It's thundering. Thor is with us. That's hectic thunder.
I can feel you close to me, filling up my heart.
Okay, we are going to Mount Macedon
Yeah, around there.
for our hiking trip for today, and we've got a little aura because we can finally bring a dog. Yeah.
Okay, signing off. Signing off.
Okay, so where are we?
We are at Stanley Park waterfall.
Yep.
We're gonna head down to the waterfall now. I can hear the water already, so there's water for sure. So I'm excited.
I love nature. I mean, I like nature, but more of a like adventure time. So, so everywhere is fun for me. Help them fix this.
Okay, so it actually broke from that.
There you go.
There you go.
Here you go. No entry. Revegetation works for protection habitat and the waterway. All right, are you having fun? Look at this place. This place is beautiful. I'm so glad like we're here. It smells like DMT.
Oh yeah, it does too.
Yeah.
I think these are acacia leaves. I mean, acacia leaves have a lot of DMT in it.
So, we reached the end of the road. Cars and shit now. But we're gonna find the waterfall. Alright.
You're having heaps of fun there.
Yep.
Water flowing through here. You guys should check it out. How cool is that? No, that's not the waterfall.
So we are at the waterfall. Yeah, here we are. It didn't take us long to get here. There's some interesting history here. Approximately 6 million years ago, a silica-rich lava called trachyte flowed down the flank of Mount Macedon. The lavas most probably originated from Camel's Hump. Irritable Creek flows off the edge of the solidified lava. Over time, erosion has undermined the face of the falls, causing it to collapse. Sorry.
Alright, shh. Pick her up. Yo, it was a very short walk, but we're gonna go explore and check out the actual mountain. I don't have an actual location. I'm just gonna drive up there and then see what's there and then see what we bump into. And yeah, it should be good.
Can't wait. It was okay. I bought this little thing here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I think you got it.
Oh, cool. Be a good shot to take.
Yeah, so found another area. Was unexpected, but I think this is what we're probably looking for because I wanted to actually hike. Yeah, but we found a waterfall. It's okay. It was nice, you know. Climbing this trail. It's called Macedon Regional Park. We're here. It's a very steep trail. Aura's done really well. She's tired as shit though.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
going to a memorial cross.
Yeah, we're gonna find Jesus when we get there.
That's it.
Alright, let's keep going. I didn't expect this hike to be this challenging. It is okay. It's easy going up, but it gets harder when you go down, especially when the road's a little bit, the trail's a little bit moist, I guess. Yeah. And then over that, wow! You see that?
Yeah.
That's beautiful. I'm starting to have some doubts now. Will we ever find Jesus? I don't know. I guess we just have to keep going. And in doubt, just keep going, right? Then you'll find Jesus. I hope we're going the right way because we've just been following the path. Yeah.
Alright, so we didn't make it to the cross, but it's fully raining right now, so
it looks like, I feel like, because the trail's really muddy, it's going to be too dangerous. We don't have proper shoes for it, so we should just go.
Wait, it's spitting, but it's not raining.
up to you.
And it's...
You know I'm good with whatever. I think we'll be okay, but at the same time I don't want to say that and then suddenly someone gets hurt.
Alright, you know what? Let's keep going.
Let's keep going?
Yeah, I trust everything will be okay. Alright.
We're gonna keep going.
Alright, we're gonna keep going. Let's just trust and see how it goes from there.
Worst case, if it rains real bad, we can go under that tree. We'll sleep in here.
I don't want to sleep in there.
There could be an owl actually, I don't want
Bugs everywhere.
to. I go inside an owl, it just starts fucking attacking my head.
My home! This is my home! My home! My house, my home! Okay, so this is where our pit stop was.
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
You guys hear that? It's thundering. Thor is with us. That's hectic thunders.
Do you want us to keep going or should we go back? I feel like we should go back.
Oh man, that sounds really deep.
Yeah. Isn't this close by?
Yeah.
Let's go back.
That went for ages too. I just started recording in the middle of it. Alright. I think that's a sign, good sign, that we should probably go back. We're high up in the mountains. Like I found this feather.
Yeah.
When I find feathers I like to pick them up. So I'm gonna have the angels with us. I don't really check out our own area that much. I keep watching videos of people overseas going all these places, but I haven't even checked out Melbourne that much. So I think it'll be a good idea to check out Melbourne and Victoria and really see what's around. Wow, that's beautiful. I always follow the signs of the universe, and that was a big thunder. We saw the lightning. I literally recorded halfway through that massive thunder.
I'm really scared of thunder.
You called the dog lightning.
Yep, but that was from Final Fantasy.
Or I might be getting tired too. Yeah, alright. What about you?
Let a tire out.
You getting tired? Whoa! You gotta slide your way through this. Look, this red. On the way down the mountain. Yeah, it is rain. And it is thundering.
Always. Except me.
What do you mean?
Sweet, I'm pretty good.
What do you mean? I always accept you. What do you mean by that?
I'm good.
I always attract bitches to my life. What? Whoop. See? That's what happens. That's what happens when you keep talking caca. What do you mean nothing? Like what girl disrespected you?
If.
Well, I'll say something.
Are you sure? Because you're too nice and I've seen you around other women.
What is this? Why are you making a fight with me right now?
I'm not, I'm just saying.
I got your back. Chill. Like this, it's raining, bit of a struggle. And then now you're talking about that stuff with bitches and shit.
Rain plus earth equals mud. Mud equals slippery. And slippery equals falling. Falling equals death.
Okay. That's how you see it. I just see it as, bit of mud. It's okay. More adventure. You were adventurous today until it started raining. It's just struggles of things, of nature.
I know.
It happens.
I know. Can you just hold on,
Yeah,
please?
yeah.
Oh my god.
You're gonna be alright. It's just rain.
Sorry, I just get really worried. Then I start
Come on, just.
attacking everyone.
I know.
Because I get fucking feral. You know, one of those animals where it's like shit gets really bad.
Just start fucking attacking everyone around you. Yeah, it's gonna rain sometimes. It's gonna. Whoop. See what? I got myself. See what? After. No, that's why. That's another reason why she's getting all grouchy. She's freaking hungry every time.
Hair is wet. My stomach is empty. My mind, I don't know anymore. Okay. It's just one of those things. Yes, adventure. doesn't mean it's always going to be fun. It's a journey. It's an adventure. Shit's going to happen all the time. We just aren't. We never know when we're always going to be prepared for that, you know? I definitely wasn't. I thought I was going to have a great time today. And I did. It's just little bumps on the road, you know?
They always copy.
So Steph loves fish and chips, and we found a fish and chip shop. So things are good. They're gonna look up. She's gonna feel much better. Less hungry. So we found this spot here. Mysteries of the Universe. That's probably a really cool book. Oh!
Hey, careful. I told you.
I didn't realize.
Careful.
Okay. I didn't realize there was a
Yeah, I
cat
told
there.
you.
I wasn't looking.
Poor thing got attacked.
Nah,
She didn't know.
She enjoyed it.
What is talking? What's your name?
Aura.
Laura?
Aura. Yeah.
Aura.
Yeah, Aura.
Aura. Aura.
It's okay.
Aura. Aura. Cautious. Aura.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You can say hello. Hello. I want to check every single one.
Want to?
Yeah.
Let's get this book.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Yeah.
$30.
Ooh. What do we got? Oh yeah. 14 cents. Oh, look, some fish.
Stop. Okay, so we're gonna end the day here. I think we're in Mount Macedon, a place called Wooden or something like that. It's a really nice area. I really like it. And we have fish and chips, but with no sauce. I should have got sauce.
It's alright. It was more healthy without the sauce.